If you want to explore the nature, it's a better choice to take the spotting scope. You can use it to watch the bird, and it must be fun. Many kinds of devices are available to your needs. You can use this bracket to adjust the telescope and get the best point. Using the rubber material will make you feel better. The eyepiece and objective use the FMC to provide clear images. You can mount the bracket on the phone to get a clear picture. The phone adapter and tripod shown in a video is not included. You can buy it separately if you need. Rotatable eye cups will fit most of people. Rotate left or right to adjust the room magnification. Sharpness adjustment knob. Retractable lens hood.